Bill here, October 18th. Today we want to talk about what's the difference between silver bullion and silver coins. But before we do that, let's just touch briefly on the numbers. We've seen a dichotomy between the monetary metals and the industrial metals. As a reminder, gold and silver are the monetary metals, and platinum and palladium are more considered industrial metals. Now, sometimes all four move in tandem, but this past week we've had a difference in how they've responded. Both gold and silver are up 4% apiece. Platinum's up just a fraction. Palladium's down for the week. And for the time period of a year ago today, we have a similar thing. We have gold and silver up considerably. We have platinum and palladium down. And so all the details are in the write-up, and we can talk about why later on. But let's talk about silver bullion and silver coins. Now, silver bullion is valued for two reasons, or based on two criteria: the purity and the weight. That's it. So you can find silver bullion of virtually any shape and size imaginable. There are what they call rounds, and rounds look like coins, but the difference is they're produced by a private mint. In fact, many bullion products are produced by private mints around the world. So you have bars and rounds make up by far the most or the greatest portion of silver bullion, but you also have other shapes. Someone sent me some silver bullets, literally 50 caliber rounds made out of silver. I think they're 10 ounces of 3/9 silver apiece. And of course they sent I think a 30-06 shell, which I believe was 2 ounces, and then a 45 ACP was an ounce of silver. And you have all kinds of other shapes and sizes that you can get. But with bullion products, you're paying for purity and you're paying for weight. Now, when you get specialized shapes and things, you're also paying more for manufacturing. But let's talk about the difference between that and silver coins. Silver coins are produced by government mints. They have a face value. They are issued in a currency, and the dollar amount is stated on the silver coin. And the government that issued the coins guarantees them. So you have a higher premium when you go to buy silver coins than you do silver rounds, for example. A lot of times silver rounds will be a commemorative of a coin, and it may have a similar appearance to it. It may use a similar shape on the face of the coin, on the face of the round rather. And it's made to look like the coin, but it's not a coin, it's a round. And so your premiums are a lot lower for silver bullion round products versus silver coins. Now, in the silver coin arena, we have different levels of coinage. We have what are called bullion coins, which most of the value of the coin is a mass-produced coin by a government mint, and most of the value is derived from the silver content, but you still have the government guarantees, you still have the face value issued on the coin, etc. And then you have numismatic coins, and due to either the rarity or the historical significance, there's a lot higher value derived from a numismatic silver coin than there is a regular bullion silver coin. And we'll talk more about those differences next week. But you're going to pay a little higher premium for any kind of silver coin than you will silver bullion as a general rule. But you're also getting a government guarantee with that coin. And generally, a lot of times bullion products are manufactured by private mints and sold by certain dealers. They may not be purchased by another dealer, But a coin is generally recognized throughout the industry, and you can generally buy and sell those anywhere that you need to. So they're a more liquid form of silver. Thank you for tuning in. We'll see you again soon.